Look. This engine vibrates like crazy. The owner of the car has gone to 5 repair shops, cleaned the throttle, replaced the oxygen sensor, cleaned the entire vehicle's oil lines. Finally, the repair shop asked him to repair the engine. The fee is $3,000. The car owner found me through the comment area. Today, I'm here to help him solve it. The engine is shaking so badly. I suspect the part is broken. The part I'm talking about is called a spark plug. It's just underneath these 4 ignition coils. Next, take it apart and check it out. First, remove the ignition coil connector. That's it. It's very simple. I pulled it out hard and it came out. Next, with a wrench, loosen this screw. Now, you can pull out the ignition coil. Look, the spark plug is in this hole. Did you see it? This tool is called a socket, $3 a piece in the store. We use it to take out the spark plug. Okay, take it out. Oh my god, it's so rusty. The cause of the problem was found. This is a new spark plug I bought online. Very cheap. About $10. Let's take it out and see. Comparing it, the difference is very obvious. Next, we put the new spark plug back in. Okay, next, I start the car. See if the problem is solved. If solved, friends, give me a like. Please support me. If you still follow me, if you have any car problems, just come to me. Apply the brakes, start up. Let's go to the front. Perfect. The engine runs very smoothly. Try again. Look, problem solved. How about it? Have you learned it? Follow me. Learn some car knowledge every day.